Good evening, students. Today we discuss about the pentagonal prism. Okay, pentagonal prism. Okay, so pentagonal prism, given side of 25 mm and the axis rests with on its HP or ground on same name and such that the base containing the edge makes an angle 30 degree to HP and it is axis parallel to VP to draw its projection. So this is your pentagonal prism. Okay, this is one of the side, this is your corner. So given problem is a pentagonal prism and the side is 25 mm and the axis given rests on one of its edge 30 degree HP. And the axis 50 mm long. Okay, its axis 50 mm long. Axis 50 mm long, that is a given problem. Axis 50 mm long. Okay, so given is a side is 25 mm, axis to 50 mm long. Okay, base side 25 mm and the length long 50 mm. That is a given problem. So resting on HP. So one of the base corner. So this is your resting position. This is your resting position. Okay, this is the resting position. First I told that this is a triangle. First top view and the second front view. Just look like your rectangular section. Okay. So this is your this is your pentagonal shape. First you draw the XY reference line. XY reference line. So you can draw your pentagonal shape this position only. Okay, draw a rectangle position. So there is a given problem. One of the rectangular edges is one of the edges resting in HP. So you can draw this method only. Okay. First you draw a perpendicular line. Just touch your two long edges. This is your pentagonal. This is the first top view. This is your first step. This is your first step. Next you can draw the put a name of prism sides. So top portion you put a name of A, B, C, D, E. So another name put a name of 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So as next projection line. So there is a given length is 50 mm. Given length is 50 mm. So that is a given length is 50 mm. So next you put a name of this is A dash, A1 dash, next B1 dash, 5 dash, next B1 dash, this closing bracket E1 dash, E1 dash, next this portion, C dash, C1 dash, closing bracket T1 dash. So this is the top portion. So first we got draw a top portion on. So what is the dimension? This is 1 dash, 1 dash. Next 2 dash, closing bracket 5 1 dash, last one 2 dash, so what is the name of 3 dash, closing bracket 4 1 dash. Okay. This is your second step. This is your first step. Okay. So this is your arrow mark. Just give eye contact. I put on the once again I to repeat that. Put in name of A B C dash. So another pentagonal view. This is your pentagonal view. Put in name of A B C D. So another top portion name 1 2 3 4. So this is only visible area. Resting portion visible area A B C D. Not visible in the bottom right. So just closing your brackets. This is your eye contact. Put in name of A1 dash, B dash, E dash not visible, is just closing your bracket, and 2 3 dash, sorry, B dash, and remaining C dash not visible by D dash. So this is your top, this is your bottom, next one bottom. So what a arrow mark, this is 1 dash not visible in the next one, 2 dash not visible, 5 dash, 3 dash is visible, 4 dash not visible. So this is your third contact. And the next one, third step, this is your final front view. Final front view. So there is a given resting condition. This is your resting condition. This is your resting condition. What is the given angle? This is your base. Base angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. So look at here. This is front view. Final front view. And next you can draw this portion. So what is that? This is our edge. This is resting on. What is the angle? This is 30 degree. So first you dot the small dot C1. Okay. And next, what is the What is the angle? 30 degree. Just you note down. So C1 dash. Next one. Sorry, this is one. So C1 dash, just note down what is the point, D1 dash, D1 dash. So next is second point. What is second point? B1 dash. Next closing point D1 dash. That's the last point E1 dash. Okay, next. So what is the name? You take this. You take the compass. C1, what is the distance C1 and 3 1, just to cut a arc, and the remaining A1 dash and A1 dash you cut a arc, and the remaining what is the distance you can cut the arc, join the all lines. Okay. And next you put in name of this one, 1 dash not visible, next one 2 1 dash, next one 5 1 dash, next one 3 1 dash, 4 1 dash. Okay, so this is 1 dash not remaining, this one only numbers only, sorry, this is numbers only. Okay, so next you can project the lines. Next project the lines. So next dot the lines. So what are the points? This one A1, point the A1, and next point B1. So what is the B1? This is your B1. And next point B1. Sorry, this one B1. Next point E1. So this is E1. That's next point C1. This C1, next point. And next one D. This is a D1. D1. So next join the lines. That's next one. This one 1. What is the one? Same this one. This one 1. Next 2. So what are the intersect lines? 2. This one 2. So this one 2 1. 2 1. And next 3. This one 3. 3 1. Next 4 1. This one 4 1. Last 5 1. This one 5 1. So next to understand your students, this is a base angle 30 degree. So only you can draw the second front view. So all sides visible. So one pentagon is visible. Next this one only visible 2. So not 3 visibles. So 3 edges you can lines. First join the so not visibles 3 lines, so hidden lines. You using hidden lines. Okay. Thank you, students.